Bad Apple's Perfect Day by Edward Hemingway. What can you do with a dried up watering hole, some mud, and a thunderstorm? Just ask Mac and Will. When these unlikely friends' fun plans go awry, they show how a day of unexpected ups and downs can still be perfect day. All it takes is a little imagination. The sun was rising, the crickets were chirping, and Mac and Will were getting ready for the perfect day. Mac couldn't wait to go to the watering hole. On a sunny day, there was no better place to be. Today, I will show you my baby's triple somersault dive. You guessed it! It was a short trip if you traveled light. But the watering hole hadn't seen rain in ages, just some sour apples. Still, Mac and Will were determined to make the most of it. Who says mud diving can't be fun? Not me. 3, 2, 1. Geronimo! Splash! Ha ha! Look at that bad apple. Bad apple, his name is Mud. Mac felt a little silly, but Will hated to waste perfectly good mud. So they got creative. It wasn't long before their friends dropped by, and the crab apples dropped in. Behold the amazing city of mud. That's nice. But before they could finish their city, it began to rain. Rumble. And thunder started to roll. Some perfect day this was turning out to be. Luckily, it's never too late to turn things around. On rainy days, a little voice in my head tells me, read a book. Too bad we didn't have any. True, but we don't need a book to tell a story. So Mac began. Once upon a time in a land far away, some pretty swell apples set out to build a great city from nothing but the earth around them. If Granny Smith could see us now. But then clouds covered the sun and rain filled the sky. They got pretty wet hightailing it out of there. They built a bigger city, one that was taller than all the rain clouds in the world. It was very beautiful, and they were happy. And on the top of the world, they realized that there was no limit to where they could go. So they hopped into a rocket ship and they flew to Mars, where they felt right at home. The end. So who wants to tell the next story? When the rain was down to less than a drizzle, the group made their way back to the watering hole and the amazing city of mud. But it was gone. There was nothing left to do except the famous triple somersault dive. Geronimo! The double barrel belly flop, whee! And the yellow belly bleep of terror, eek! How do you like them apples? Bobbing among friends, a tired and happy Mac and Will couldn't think of a better place to be. It was the perfect ending to the perfect day. Sometimes the best days are full of surprises. The end. If you like this video, please subscribe and check out my playlist and other videos. Bye!